Pi Network to $100. That's what we're diving into today, folks. Plus some massive news on the KYC front that could change the game for Pi. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with this interesting article from CoinGape. Pi Network price finds crucial support. Can it rise to $100? That's a juicy question. As you can see here, the Pi Network price has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride lately, but it looks like it's found some solid support. The Pi Network price on HTX has found crucial support at the 200-day moving average, pointing to a potential comeback ahead of the KYC verification deadline on December 31st. So can the popular Pi Coin IOU price surge to $100 this year? $100 Pi this year. Now that would be something. I'm saying a lot of bullish signals here, guys. The article mentions the 200-day moving average, which is a key indicator for a lot of traders. And check this out. Pi Network price bounced back because it has found strong support at the 200-day exponential moving average. Exponential moving average. It has failed to flip that support since October 12th of this year. That's a really good sign. It means the price is finding a floor and buyers are stepping in. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. But hold on, there's more. The odds of Pi price rising to $100 will rise when it surges and moves above the important resistance level at $91.83, its highest level in November. A move to 100 would imply a 25% increase from the current level. 75% gains? Sign me up. Let's be realistic here. While $100 Pi is definitely possible, it's going to take some serious momentum to break through that $91.83 resistance level. We need to see strong volume and continued buying pressure. Keep a close eye on those charts, folks. Now let's take a look at this chart. See how Pi has been bouncing around between this support and resistance level? It's like a coiled spring just waiting to explode. If we can break through this resistance, then the sky's the limit. Look at the relative strength index RSI here. It's showing positive divergence, which often precedes a breakout. And the MACD is about to cross over another bullish signal. Things are getting exciting, people, but remember, this is crypto and anything can happen. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. By the way, if you're finding this analysis helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto updates. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, back to the article. It also talks about the upcoming mainnet launch. This is huge news for Pi Network. The main reason why the Pi coin price may bounce back is that the developers are gearing towards the mainnet launch. There are rising odds that this launch will happen earlier next year, since the deadline for the KYC verification will be on December 31st. Mainnet launch is the key, guys. This is when Pi will finally become a truly decentralized cryptocurrency. And with the KYC deadline approaching fast, things are about to get really interesting. Speaking of KYC, this next article from Hoka News is a bombshell. Pi Network set to make history as the first KYC-compliant cryptocurrency project in U.S. history. Wow. Just wow. This is a game changer, not just for Pi, but for the entire crypto industry. This is not just a significant step for Pi Network, but also marks a turning point for the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. I couldn't agree more. KYC has always been a bit of a sticking point in the crypto world. Some people see it as a necessary evil, while others see it as an invasion of privacy. But Pi Network is taking a bold step here, and I think it's going to pay off big time. Pi Network's decision to integrate KYC compliance into its ecosystem is driven by several key factors. 1, building trust and security. 2, regulatory compliance. 3, opening doors to financial institutions. Those are all excellent points. KYC builds trust with users and regulators, and it opens the door to mainstream adoption. This is exactly what Pi Network needs to succeed in the long run. I'm really impressed with their vision and commitment to compliance. Pi Network's implementation of KYC compliance is set to have a profound impact on the cryptocurrency space. This move could inspire other projects to adopt similar measures, creating a more compliant and secure environment for cryptocurrency use worldwide. Absolutely. Pi Network is setting a new standard for the crypto industry. This could be the catalyst that finally brings crypto into the mainstream. Imagine a world where everyone is using crypto for everyday transactions. That's the future I'm excited about. And hey, maybe one day we'll even be able to buy a cup of coffee with Pi. Who knows? Maybe Starbucks will start accepting it. Can I get a Vendi latte with extra Pi foam, please? But seriously, folks, this is huge news for Pi Network. KYC compliance is a major step towards mass adoption. And with the mainnet launch just around the corner, I think we're going to see some explosive growth in the coming months. So if you haven't already, now is the time to get on board the Pi train. Think about it, guys. KYC compliance means Pi Network is playing by the rules. They're showing the world that they're serious about security and legitimacy. This is going to attract a lot of new users and investors who might have been hesitant about crypto before. It also paves the way for Pi to be listed on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Can you imagine what will happen to the price when that happens? Boom. And the mainnet launch is just the icing on the cake. This is when Pi will truly come into its own. We'll see a whole ecosystem of Pi-based apps and services emerge. People will be able to use Pi for everyday transactions, just like they use cash or this is the vision of a decentralized future. And Pi Network is leading the way. What do you think about this KYC news? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as excited about Pi Network as I am, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about this amazing project. I know some of you might be thinking, but Gold Rush, what about all the FUD surrounding Pi Network? Is it really legit? Listen, there's always going to be skeptics and naysayers. That's just the nature of the crypto world. But I've done my research, and I truly believe in the potential of Pi Network. They have a strong team, a dedicated community, and a solid roadmap. I'm confident that Pi is going to be a major player in the future of finance. Of course, it's important to be realistic. There are no guarantees in crypto. The price could go up, it could go down, or it could stay flat, but I think the potential rewards far outweigh the risks. If you're looking for a long-term investment with massive upside potential, Pi Network is definitely worth considering. So what are you waiting for? Download the Pi Network app, start mining, and get ready for the ride of your life. This is your chance to be part of something truly revolutionary. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to stay informed, stay invested, and stay golden. I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency.